Enganzi y'ihanga Right Honorable Nabanja Robina yatera umuranga amahanga gari hansi yo mukagwa ECOSOC okwatanisiza hamwe ginegize kigenderera cyo kureba ngutine muntu ningi ihanga ryona eryasigare nyuma omuhururu yo kutungura amahanga n'abantu bago ningashi Sustainable Development Goals. Nabanje kugambebi yaba nagambera haruteranirwa mu rundu gw'ikumi urwa ECOSOC High Level Political Forum ryo rugendo misho muri New York, America. Ogu ariyo muri New York aho ayebembira abandi bebembezi okurwo mu ihanga rya Uganda ahari United Nations High Level Political Forum on Sustainable Development area hansi ya auspice of the Economic and Social Council.
The delegates also agreed that there is need to provide sustained investment in education and skills development with a view to creating decent jobs, in particular for African young people.
Orutera noru nuruijaho mbwire obahari kubara emyaka 5 yonka okika ha mwaka 2023 omwaka ogw'amahanga gaeraganise kuba gashembukize huru yo kutunguka kwa mahanga gona n'abantu bamwo n'obukirabe kiri kityo ehuru yo kurwanisa okubako kw'abantu mahanga gatari gamwe na gamwe negamba kubera iyo netambuza kasobo ahantu ho Nabanja yashoborere bi Uganda riyo nekora omukwikiriza Sustainable Development Goals ningashi SDGs okurebwa ngutino wasigare nyuma nukwe kugamba hankora ya Parish Development Model.
Africa is dangerously off track. Only 10 of the 144 measurable SDG targets are currently on course. It's worried by them. The 11th session on the African Regional Forum on SDG, which Uganda proudly hosted in April, offered a platform for reflection and recommitment.
Nabanja yahamza bebembezi b'amahanga gandi ngu Uganda iriyo nekora cyone kiri kubasika okureba ngu yahikiriza SDGs nko kuzatirweho.
You cannot talk about development when the country is insecure. 2, the roads, the railway that interconnect our continent. Because we need cheap transport to transport our products from wherever. Then we need cheap energy. This cheap energy will help us to save our environment. That's one. And 2, you cannot talk about industrialization without energy.
Enshonga yo mwaka 2025 ahansi ya United Nations Economic and Social Council ECOSOC na High Level Political Forum na ineji zo kutungura ebya science na teknolojia okureba ngo buri muntu yatunguka. Gasha kwa Ismail Kasoha omuri New York, America.